look into Pure Maths 1, February, March 2025. Okay. Okay, the first question. So the first question here mentioned that the curve of y equal to 5 plus 3x minus 2x, and this line y equal to kx plus 3 does not meet. Okay, we need to find the value of k's. Okay, so if they say does not meet something like this, okay, the curve and the line. So we just let my curve equal to y1 and the line equal to y2. So it's going to be y1, y2. So what we're going to do here is actually we're just going to be equate y1 equivalent to y2, and since it does not meet, so we're going to use b square minus 4ac less than 0 and then solve for the k. Okay, so we begin with this. So where y1 equal to y2 is going to be 5 plus 3x minus 2x square equivalent to kx plus 13. Rearrange, so you get 2x square plus k minus 3x plus 8 equivalent to 0. Okay, as I mentioned, since the question said the line does not meet, okay, so we're going to use this idea b square minus 4ac less than 0. Okay, so here your b is k minus 3, so your b is equal to k minus 3, and your a is equal to 2, and your c equal to 8. Okay, so it will be k minus 3 square minus 4ac less than 0. Okay, so k square minus 6x plus 9 minus, you get 64 less than 0. So will be k, y is x, I'm sorry. Okay, so k square minus 6k minus 55 less than 0. So you factorize this, k minus 11, k plus 5 less than 0. So for this, to find the critical value of k, so we let k minus 11 equal to 0. So k equal to 11, k plus 5 equal to 0. So k equal to negative 5. Okay, so we're going to use the graphical method. So here will be negative 5 and here will be 11. Since it is less than 0, so this is the region. Therefore, my final answer will be k is between negative 5 to 11. Okay. For question number 2, the diagram shows the curve with the equation of y equal to 2x squared minus 5x plus 3. The curve crosses the x-axis at point P, 1, 0, and the M is the minimum point. Find the gradient of the curve at P. So if we want to find the gradient, we will use the dy dx. So we differentiate this. So this one we can also rewrite. So y equal to 2x squared minus 5x negative 1 plus 3. Therefore, my dy over dx will be, you differentiate 2x squared. So we'll get 4x. Differentiate 5x negative 1, you'll get plus 5x negative 2. You differentiate 3, you will get 0. So it's going to be 4x plus 5 over x squared. Okay, so at point P, x equal to 1. So at P, x is equivalent to 1. Therefore, my dy over dx will be 1 plus 5 over 1 square, which is 9. That's it. Okay. Then for B, find the coordinate of m, give each coordinate correct to three significant figure. Okay, so make sure the final answer is three significant figure. Okay, in order to find the m coordinate, since m is a maximum minimum point, okay, you can take note here. They said your m is a minimum point. So whenever I say it's a minimum point, it is a minimum or maximum, your dy over dx equal to 0. Always remember this. So we're going to go here. So it's going to be dy over dx equivalent to 0. And just now my derivative is 4x. Okay. So 4x plus 5 over x cubed equal to 0. Sorry, 5 square. So 4x equal to 5 over x square negative. Therefore, x cubed equal to negative 5 over 4. So my x will be cube root of negative 5 over 4. So for now, I will use the exact value because I want to find the y value. Okay, so always remember, even though the question asks you the final answer as three significant figure, but intermediate calculation, you cannot use a three significant figure. Okay, so in order to calculate your y, you must use your exact value. Okay, therefore, my y is, so y equal to 2 cube root of negative 5 over 4 square minus 5 over cube root of negative 5 over 4 plus 3. Okay, so your y will be 9.96, and then your final answer will be, you cube root the pressure calculator to get this answer. So you will get negative 1.08 and 9.96. Please make sure that do not use the three significant figure when you're calculating your y. Then you'll get different answer already. Okay, please make sure you use the exact form. Okay, now we go to question number 3. So for question number 3, find the complete expansion of 2x minus 3 over x power of 4. So for this, we are going to use the binomial expansion. So I already take the formula from your formula sheet. So it's here. So you can utilize this. So where your a, and you can just use this formula. And normally instead of nr, I will use for this case as a ncr. Okay, so we just follow the formula. So it's going to be 2x minus 3 over x power of 4 is equivalent to a power of n, which is 2x power of 4 plus 4c1, 2x power of 3 negative 3 over x plus 4c2, 2x power of 2 negative 3 over x power of 2 plus 4c3, 2x power of 3 negative 3 over 3 over x power of 3 plus 4c4, 2x power of 0 and negative 3 power of x power of 4. Okay, so it's going to be 16x power of 4 plus negative 96, and this one will be x cubed multiply 1 over x plus 216 x squared multiply 1 over x squared plus negative 216 x multiply 1 over x cubed plus 81 1 over x power of 4. Okay, so your final answer will be 16x power of 4 minus 96x square plus 216, because your x square will cancel, minus 216 over x square plus 81 over x power of 4. Okay, so this will be your final answer. And for B, hence determine the coefficient of x square. So we just need the x square, where x square plus 5 multiplied with this. So we can rewrite it's going to be x square plus 5 multiplied with, just now we just copy down, 16x power of 4 minus 96x square plus 216 minus 216 x power of negative 2 plus 81 x power of negative 4. Okay, so since the question one you only x square only, so what we can do, I just change my color. Okay, so x square multiply with 216 and 5, you can multiply with this. Okay, therefore x square multiplied with 216, you get 216 x square plus 5 bracket negative 96 x square. So it's going to be negative 264 x square. So the coefficient of x square will be negative 264. Okay, so we go to question number 4. The diagram shows a triangle OAB where OA equal to OB equal to 10 and the angle OAB is 0.8 radian. The point C and D on OA, OB respectively are such this CD is a part of circle with center O with a radius 6. The shaded region bounded by the arc CD, the line segment CAB. Okay, find the perimeter of shaded region. So in order to find the perimeter of shaded region, so it's going to be AB plus CD plus 4 plus 4. So you just add up this thing. Okay, AB plus CD plus 4 plus 4. This is the perimeter. Okay, so first we attempt to find AB first. So for AB, you can use cosine rule. Okay, so if you still remember cosine rule, A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos theta. Where here, this is going to be your A, so B, so this will be your B, okay, and this will be your C. Okay, so it's going to be, in order to find the AB, so AB square is equivalent to 10 square plus 10 square minus 2 tan cos theta. Theta is 0.8, sorry. 0.8. So make sure when you press this in a calculator, your calculator is in radian mode. Therefore, your AB will be 7.7884. And then for CD, it's very simple. Your CD is arc theta, so S equal to R theta, where R equal to 6, theta equal to 0.8. So it's going to be 6, 0.8. Okay. So we'll get 4.8. Therefore, the perimeter will be 4 plus 4 plus 4.8 plus 7.7884. So it's going to be 20.6. Your final answer you can give in a three significant figure, it doesn't matter. But for your earlier calculation like this, I want to use 7.79. It's not advisable. Okay, it's not advisable because it will affect your final answer. Okay, so 20.6. And for B, find the area of shaded region. So for the area of shaded region, it's going to be the area of triangle. So like how do we do? I'm going to find the area of triangle minus area of sector. Okay, so area of triangle. So this whole thing, area of triangle minus area of sector. So you'll get the shaded region. Okay, so for area of triangle, you can use 1 over 2. So for area of triangle, you can use 1 over 2 A, B, sine C. Okay, so I'm going to use 1 over 2. My A here is 10, my B here is 10, and my sine C. Okay, so I got 35.8678 and area of sector will be 1 over 2 r square theta, which is 1 over 2 r square theta, will be 14.4. Therefore, area of shaded region will be 35.8678 minus 14.4. So you'll get 21.5. Okay. So that's all from me. We stop here. Thank you.